Okay. Um, Beautiful. You're welcome back to this session. And one thing I can assure you is that the double blessing strategy that we've been treating from scratch since day one is going to be very, very simplified here. Very simplified that even if you watch this video, at the end of this video, you should be able to practice their strategy and it should work for you. So let's go, this is tradingview.com. Let's go straight up to the chart. What I'm doing right now is to just teach, to just what? To just teach the strategy, purely the strategy. So, um, like I said yesterday, for us to buy, we need three green confirmation. For us to sell, four green confirmation. What is the three green confirmation for us to buy? Three red confirmation for us to sell, pardon me. So what are the three red if you want to sell? That means this price that is moving up here, if it gets to this red line and stochastic has gotten to red already, RSI has gotten to red already, what do? We sell. We sell. So what are we waiting for now? We are waiting for this candle. Let's quickly go to the broker and make a trade right now. It's as simple as that. What's the pair? GBP USD. So let's go. GBP USD. In our previous video, I've told us how to set up a broker, how to have a broker. Even if you don't fund it with money, you can still be trading with a demo account. It's still the same thing as taking a real life trade, just that you are not using real money. So let's use a demo account to take this trade GBP USD. By the close of this candle, I hope this market, this price will have gotten to this red area. By the close of this candle, the trade will have been ready for us to take. Come on, come on, come on. Network, be fast. Let me refresh because of time. Because of time. While we're waiting for that, look at it. Let's see different scenario today. Look at this green. This green came up to this red area. What happened to the next candle? See the stochastic, it got to the red. RSI got to the red. The next candle that comes after it was what? Was a sell. Do you see it? It was a sell. If we look at this red candle that came to green, once you get to the green, the stochastic is at the green, RSI, okay, it doesn't get to the green. Okay, we are not going to use this as an example. You can see this market is coming down now. Oh, what's this broker doing? I just hope this broker will give me a proper market tonight. What's happening? Come on. We are supposed to be tanking on this trade right now. Oh my God. Guys, can you see the way it played out? You know, I was telling you that this candle here is ready, that after the close of this candle, we'll take it for a sell. Look at it now. Look at the next candle. Is it selling? This strategy is very simple. Very, very simple. Why this network? I don't know. Maybe it's the network or the broker. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, so let me teach the strategy once more. Let me teach the strategy once more. Look at this candle here. Look at this red candle. This green candle, pardon me. This green candle go to the red area. Can you see it? The stochastic get to the red area. RSI go to the red area. What happened to the next candle? The sell. If you want to take a buy, look at this candle here. This candle go to the red, the green area. This red candle go to the green area. The stochastic get to the green area. RSI go to the green area. What happened to the next candle? The buy. Very simple. Very, very simple. Very, very simple to practice. You can do it on your own. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. You can see this trade right now. If you have taken this trade for 3 minutes, we'll have cleared this trade right now because it's a red candle. After we said it's going to go on a selling candle. You can see, come on, what's wrong with this broker? Do you understand what I'm saying so far?
Yes.
It's very simple. It's very, very simple. Let's look at another example. Let's look for another example. Let's look for another example. It's not every trade you take, but the ones that align with your strategy. Look at this one. You can see. Okay, let me look at this one. This green. This green go to the red area. You can see it go to the red area. What happened? Stochastic go to the red. RSI go to the red. What happened? To the next candle, we sell. It's as simple as that. Like anybody can do this. Anybody can do this. Look at this. Look at this candle. It got to the green area, stochastic to the green area, RSI to the green area. What happens to the next candle? It bought. How is this? Is it network? My network is okay now. Reason I don't know. We're supposed to be taking trade. Taking trade. Okay, let's look at USD JPY. USD JPY. Oh, for you to understand it, you just come to that place, you type USD JPY, and click it. USD JPY. So what's happening on USD JPY? USD JPY is almost going to be ready for a sell. The candle is almost is even at the red. Maybe you still want to get to this top red because RSI is remaining small to get to the red too. It's remaining small to get to the red. That this trade will be ready for us to take. Can we see? Even if you don't take this trade, according because I don't understand what the broker is doing. Even if you don't take this trade, let's just use it as an example. Like we are selling this trade. You know, we did it on the GBP USD. This one, you can see. Let me zoom in so that you can all see it clearly. That if we took this trade, we will have won. Can you see? Can you see? This candle was one I was saying that this candle, at the end of this candle, I know the trade will have been ready. Can you see it sell? It sold. Look at this one too. Look at it. Okay, it didn't touch, it didn't touch. We are not going to use the one that didn't touch as an example. But this one touched. Look at it. this green. Can you see that it touched the red area? Stochastic touch, RSI touch. What happened to the next candle? It sold. See, it's as simple as here. Good. Um, let's look at which trade is almost ready now. Let's look at USDJPY. Need USDJPY. We need this. The stochastic is ready. The RSI is not ready yet. Let's wait for this RSI to come up. This candle now, we expect this candle to go up a little more, maybe to this level, so that this RSI will be ready. Then this trade will be ready for a sell. To be ready for a sell. USDJPY. Let's take the trades. This is how you set up your broker before you take trade. First of all, select your peers. USDJPY. You can see USDJPY. Okay, once you click on USDJPY, can you see it here? Then you select your peers. How many minutes? Well, me, I usually like to take 3 minutes trade. That is me. I will take 3 minutes trade on 5 minutes time frame. So I can set my broker to 3 minutes, and I'll just take the trade maybe with probably like let's say $10. Don't have to take too high risk. So let's wait for this candle. Maybe this candle will be ready for us. If it's not ready, we won't take it. But if it's ready, we'll definitely take it. Let's wait for this RSI to get to this red area. In the next 1 minute, 20 seconds, this candle will close. So we hope it will have gotten to the level where this RSI will be ready, and then we take it to be a live trading practical. This strategy is so simple for anybody to learn. Look at it here. This red, does it get to the green area? Yes, it got to the green. Stochastic, does it get to the green? Yes. RSI, does it get to the green? Yes. You can see it yourself. So what happened to the next candle? But just as simple as that. What happened to the next candle? It bought. Okay. So let's wait for this candle. Yes, it's coming up. That's good. That's good. It's coming up. It's coming up. It's coming up. Yes. Now just watch. This RSI is getting ready. This RSI is moving to the red area to confirm that E too is ready. Once the three of them is ready, you can see it has gone into the red area. Come on, let's take it for a sell. You can see immediately the candle closes. Immediately the candle closes, another one will open right now. I took it for what? I took it for a sell. You can see that is how simple the strategy is. How simple the strategy is. Can you see? For you to understand, let me put it. Can you see? This is my entry. Can you see the price is coming down? That is how simple the strategy works. It works. You can see it's still going down. You can see that's how simple this strategy works. In less than 3 minutes, in less than 2 minutes now, we are going to close and we are going to win this trade. Okay. Now this market is still going on. If for any reason this market now goes up, now this is the reason why we usually talk about risk management. If for any reason this market goes up, that means you still want to make sure that this RSI is very ready, and it will just respect this red area. You can see there's another red here, and it's still going to come down. So if this one is now not ready, that means the next candle that's coming after it is going to be ready. But I'm sure that we are going to clear this trade. I'm sure we are going to clear this trade. I'm sure I'm going to clear this trade. Just want it to come down a little bit. Come down. Have like 1 minute to clear the trade. Like 1 minute to clear the trade. It's still going up, you see, which is fine. No, I took it for 3 minutes. This can do the trade will finish anytime soon. You can still win it. You can still win it. You have some seconds, few seconds. Oh, this trade is not looking like it's going to be a win for us, but it's definitely fine. That's the market for us. But wait, what happened? Let's look at this RSI. RSI is still waiting, remains small for RSI to touch. So let's wait now. The RSI has touched now. The RSI has touched now. So now let's wait for the close of this candle. Let's wait for the close of this candle. This is why it is always, risk management is a training on its own. But this is why risk management is very important. So once you are trading, you don't put a whole lot of money as if you are gambling. Because look at it right now. It remains small. And if I have checked it before we take it, I will have said maybe we should be more patient. You can see it remains small for the RSI to get to the red. It hasn't gotten to the red. Because we are looking at it from afar, it looks like it has gotten to the red. So let's just wait. After the close of this candle, then we go in again for a sell. That's how simple the strategy works. How simple strategy works. Take the trade for 2 minutes, you can take it for 3 minutes, you can take it for 5 minutes, depending on you. You can see there's something we call price action. If this candle goes up beyond this red line here, then I will not want us to take it again. It's not respecting this, you might still want to continue going on. But if you didn't go away from this red line till this candle closes, then we're going for another sell. We are not going. Just show to me that we can't go. Wow. Should we go? Why is he respecting here? Okay, let's still go. Let's go in for 2 minutes. Let's go in for 2 minutes. Let's go in for 2 minutes. We are in the trade for 2 minutes. Hold on for me, guys. I need to quickly change my lights. Hold on for me, guys. Hold on for me. Okay, guys. This candle is coming down now. Oh, can you see? Can you see? The candle is coming down now. We have taken this trade up here. We have taken this trade up here, man. How many people saw that trade? No, I said it at the close of this candle. You can see the way it's coming down. will always respect the strategy. It will always respect the strategy. See the way the market come down at the close of this candle. Though it delayed, but it later come down. So, was it a beautiful payout? Yes, it is. Let's check GBP. It's almost getting ready for this. Okay, guys, just watch. I'm trying to understand what's going on in the market. Okay, GBP USD is not really ready on 15. Still come down a little bit more before to maybe to somewhere around. I know that if this market gets to this level here, this market will have been ready to go back up. That's how we just analyze the trade. There's more to analyzing trade beyond this. There's more to analyzing trade beyond this. There's more to charting, price action, all those ones. If I start putting it there now, those one might look confusing for basic students like you. But look at it. Let's wait for this candle to come down to this area. Once it come down to this area, just like I will call a trade for you, like buy GBP USD at 656 area. Can you see it? 656 area. Once this GBP, oh, this thing is coming UTC. Oh my God. Just now. This market is crazy. Just now. Okay, it's fine. Look at it. We are now having OTC. Can't even take a trade. That's why I want us to actually start early. Because anything from 10 like this, 9 something, after we just change it for us. But it's fine. But guys, let's look at this trade. Let's look at this candle. Let's watch this candle closely. Let's watch this candle closely. This candle that is red, this red candle. 15 minutes, this candle will almost be ready. So we are waiting for this candle to come down maybe to this level. If it come down to this level, trust me, it will be ready to go for a buy in 5 minutes time. So let's just be looking, let's just wait, let's wait. And another thing you have to learn while trading is patience. You have to be patient, to study, to know that, oh, this thing is ready for a buy. You are not just going to rush any trade. You rush trade, you lose the trade. Look at it right now. It's coming, it's coming. Wait for it to come to this area. If it comes to this area before the close of that candle, that will be very, very good for us to take. Very good trade. All of a sudden, this one just changed it to OTC. Still waiting. For you to know that this area is a very strong area, you can see this market, it got here. What happened to it? Go up. So this one too is trying to break this place. It's trying to break it. Once it break it now, it's coming here. So it's trying to break it to get ready for this market to go up. You see, it's trying harder to make sure it breaks it. So you study your candle, you get used to, okay, this is how this thing works. It's as simple as that. 3 red and 4, 3 red for a sell, 4 green for a buy. That's how the strategy works. You notice that it's struggling to break here. It's struggling to break here. And if this candle did not break it, this candle.
Sorry. Hello?
Yes, I can hear you, bro.
Oh, that place that you show now.
Okay.
You said four red, 4 green. What of that big red, the one that is long?
4 red for a sell. You can see it's breaking it down now.
4 green for a sell.
4 red in the sense that this number 1 red. This one, this where my mouse is. This stochastic red. It's number 1 red.
Okay.
Can you see this market is going on? Can you see?
Okay.
That? This number 2 red. This RSI red. This number 2 red here. Not the candle. This number 2 red. See this horizontal red.
Okay, the short one is not long like those ones.
This long red. If you bring it to 15 minutes, it will look shorter. This is it.
Okay.
That is it. If you did the same line, it's just that you change the time frame.
Where's the last one? The last one go.
This is 1 red, 2 red, 3 red.
Okay. Okay. But I thought you said 4 red sell, 4 green sell, 4 green buy.
This strategy is 3 red sell, 3 green buy.
Okay, this is another one because the one you shown us, the one that you were using to explain for us, that one is 4. Then the other one was 4 too.
Everything was 3. I didn't show you the one that was 4. Everything was 3.
Okay.
Like this candle now, for this candle.
That's what I just want to ask.
For this candle to sell right now, for this candle to buy properly, because it's buying now, can you see it's buying? I said it's going to come to this blue area, but it come closer to that area. And what did happen? It shoot up. It came close to that area, but guess what? It might still come down to touch this area and start going up again. That is price action. That is one of those things that happens in the market. That is price action. That is price action.
Let me unmute myself.
This market looks consolidating. It's not even good, it's a consolidating market. This time that we fix our training, market will have been tired. Please, just understand that Look at the way market has been moving before now. Look at uptrend. Look at downtrend. The market was going up, was going in a reasonable up until now that look at it now. There's not any serious move anymore. So this timing is not favorable. I don't trade this time. It was because of training. I don't trade at all at this time. Let me look for AUD USD. AUD USD. That's another pair. This is a downtrend. You can see this is a downtrend. Where's my trend line? It's a downtrend. You can see it's a downtrend. So, but it has started consolidating. Guys, the reason why we might not see a good trade is because of the timing. Take it from me.
Sorry, question. What is the best timing to trade?
We have different timing, my brother. Look at the way market is moving. For you to just understand, look at the way market is moving. It's coming down gradually. We can see that this is a downtrend. It's easy to see. You know that you are going to be selling. See downtrend. See downtrend. You go to a stage, it came back up. Now look at it. From that time that I came back up, can you see that it's just consolidating? Consolidating is it's not going up, it's not going down. It's staying in between. You can see. So you don't get a good move in the market. So one of those times that you can trade, you can type on Google trading session. There's a New York session, there's a London session, there's a London session, New York session, Asian session, and Tokyo session. Look at it. Okay, I think this one shows it on our own time, on our GMT time. This one is not going GMT. Okay, look at it. What time are we right now? GMT. 10 p.m. will be what? 20, 21, 22, 23. Is it? What is 9, 10 p.m. now? Is it 22?
10 is 22.
10 is 22, you can see. You can see that a session just ended on New York. New York ended by 21. Sydney session started in 22. So this market just closed. This one just starts. So when market close and market are starting, that time there's no enough volume in the market. The market will still be doing kind of. But when we now let the market to, just like somebody just opened, market, you still want to, things will not just, maybe after some hours, let's say around that one, you can see Sydney session and Tokyo session. So there will be a very good market around this area because look at it. Around that one is a Sydney session and it's a Tokyo session. Tokyo session has begun, Sydney session has begun for a long time. Look at it, 2, 3. Me, I trade most of the time around this time, 4 a.m. Since about 2 weeks now, I've been trading around this time. And I'd like to trade around this time too, especially this time too. That's this 14, 15, 16 time. So those are those things. So this time that we fix our training is a time that the market is not really, having a good, and that's why these people too, they usually put it at OTC. So look at the way the market is moving. It's not moving good. It's not moving good. It's looking. So that will be the end of today's class. Any question? We can just fix another time to the time that you know that the market is moving properly and we start trading the strategy. I want us to start trading the strategies as soon as possible. Any question before we go or call it a day? Any question, look at it. The market is not moving anywhere. It's just deliberating in one direction, straight line. Can you see? Can you see? There's no any serious movement. You can see. So, any other question before we go? So that will be that for tonight class. I believe it was a very beautiful and a lovely session, and we learned a lot. The strategy works. Forget about the session we are using to trade right now. This strategy works. Look at it here. Look at it. Look at this red candle. It got to the green area. Stochastic got to the green area. RSI got to the, what happened to the next candle? It goes up. It's as simple as that. Look at this candle. It gets to the red area. This one too gets to the red area, almost to the red area. I don't like to look at example that almost. I like one that is very perfect. Look at this candle. It goes to the red area. It gets to the red area here. This one too goes to the red area. What happened to the next candle? It's sold. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. So, let me just call it a day. Thank you. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Everybody watching.
Let me ask the question, please.
Please,
Hello.
You ask your question. I want to end the session right now. We can answer your question after I end the session. Please always subscribe to the YouTube channel and put your bell notification, because sometimes after this training, I can just do training on my own and I'll upload it to the YouTube without even telling anybody. But if you have your subscription,
Ask a question. Let me ask a question.
Hold on, brother. When I finish,
Are you listening? Hello. Hello. One life, I'm gonna give me the